Hi everyone, in front of me I've got ZTE Blade A36 and let me share with you how to change the wallpaper on this device. So let's begin with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll and find theme and personalization. Then let's go to Wallpaper, which is at the top of the list, and here we've got some pre-installed options from which we can choose. As you can see, we've got plenty of options to choose from. Moreover, we can tap on this picture icon in the right upper corner and we can enter our own files, so we can set your own photo as a wallpaper. I'll pick something from those options, so let me maybe choose this one. So just tap on the wallpaper, it will immediately appear on the full screen, and if you're happy with your choice, just tap on set as. Now you can decide where you want to set it, so as a home screen, lock screen, or both, and I'll pick both options, so let me tap on it. Now we can go back, and as you can see, the wallpaper has been applied successfully. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.